Hi everyone, this is Rebecca Wilson from NKU's Office of Instructional Design with Mike Lively, and today Mike asked me to go ahead and show some basics about Google SketchUp. Now Google SketchUp is a completely free program. You can download it, and once you have it installed, we're going to look here at our toolbar. And basically right now I'm just going to go through and show the basic tools that I have been using to build some more simplified, not as complex 3D models, and I'll show you those later as well. Um, First of all, our pointer tool, which is already selected, but to go ahead and start building a basic structure, we want to go ahead and select the rectangle tool. And now the way I'm spinning this before I go any further is you're going to need a mouse that has a middle mouse button. So when I do something like this, I'm hitting Command on a Mac, or I believe Control on a PC, and I'm hitting the mouse button, the middle mouse button at the same time. And then also to pan, you hit those same two mouse buttons, or those same two buttons, and then Shift at the same time. And then that allows you to pan across the screen. Okay, so I'm going to grab a square, or grab the square tool, and just draw a simple square shape. And then to go ahead and make the walls for the structure, I'm just going to go ahead and draw another square within that one. And then we can come over here, and basically this tool here works as sort of an extrusion tool, and we'll mouse over the the outer square, click, and then pull up. And then we have our walls. Okay, so say we decide that we want to move this structure over just a bit. We can go ahead and grab the pointer tool, triple click, grab the move tool, and then go ahead and move this structure around. Now, if we think this is a little too small or too big, we can come over here and grab the sizing tool, click, and either shrink it or enlarge it. Okay. So say we want to go ahead and add some windows to this structure. We can go ahead and grab the rectangle tool again, and I'll just come in, one second. I'll just come in and draw like another few squares here. And also you can do the same with doorways. Go ahead and draw a little rectangle here for the doorway. And then we want to go ahead and grab the extrusion tool again. Spin around so we can see here. Mouse over the door or the window, whatever you're trying to carve out of this shape, and then push it all the way back. Click and push back. And there you go. Sometimes you have to finagle it a bit. SketchUp can be a little quirky when it comes to movement and stuff like that. And then just go ahead and do the same with the windows. And depending on how complex the structure is that you're wanting to create, you can go in and I'm going to Control Z this, or Command Z on a PC, or a Mac, and that's basically undo. But I mean, like I said, depending on how entailed you want the structure to be, you can go ahead and add like a little bar here and here to make it look more realistic, like a real window. Let's see. Another tool that came in handy was the eraser. And simply you can come in and go ahead and delete lines. Say you have unneeded shapes drawn on your structure that you don't really need anymore. Just come in and erase those. And then also some other basic tools. This measuring tape was very handy when I was building my structures. You can go ahead and click on one edge and